Paging Mr. Mendoza of Atkins Travel Agency, please proceed to the Information Center. Paging Mr. James Mutuwala. Paging Miss Rosana Perez. Paging the driver of Miss Mercedes Rojas.
There goes Addie.
Buti pa siya makakarating sa States, no? Tayo, gasinin na lang.
Ano naman ang gagawin mo ron? Mas masarap ang buhay dito, di ba?
Sabagay.
Let's go.
Pero hindi ating wag. Halika na. Dali. Sakit yan eh.
All passengers bound.
Kawawa naman si Virgie. Ang sabi ko naman sa kanya, it will be good for Addie. At least he'll get a better education over there. Am I right, Arnel?
Ana,
Ay, naku, darling, mamaya na natataranta ako eh. Toppy, did you check kung anong oras talagang dating ng aeroplano ni Ruth?
Dumating na daw yun ng mga passengers.
Naku, the problem is I don't remember how she looks like. Teka, I'll check.
Huwag kang maganda, paubayan mo sa akin yun.
Si Melissa alis pa lang bukas.
Korean Airlines.
Pare naman, yung pamamasyal nila sa Maynila, ito naman, pinaalala pa si Melissa, alam mo naman, broken-hearted ako ron.
Tama na nga yan. Topi talaga bang maganda?
That, I don't know. Doon siya lumaki sa States. Pinsan natin yun.
Naging magpinsan pa kasi tayo eh.
Ayan pare, baka yung dumarating na yan. Yan.
Pare,
Pare, walang ganyanan ha. Pare, artista airmats ko. Pwede ba yan? Lahi ba natin yan?
Wala sa lahi.
Eh yan.
Yan sigurado ko, maganda yan eh. Hi, hello, hi, miss, hello, hi. Hello, hi. Bye. Sayang eh.
Huwag ka magulo.
Excuse me, are you Ruth?
Uh-huh.
I'm your tita Ana. Ana
Oh,
Loizaga. Gosh, you're so big now and so pretty. Come, I'll introduce you to your cousin. Ruth, I'd like you to meet your cousin Toppy and his friends Arnel, Gilbert, and Tonton. Your cousin.
Hi.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
That was it! That was my favorite scene!
Ilang beses mong pinanood yan, ha?
Huh? You are asking me how many times I have seen Gone with the Wind?
Yes.
I'll tell you. I watch Gone with the Wind 4 times a day.
4 times a day.
28 times a week. 840 times a month. And 10,080 times a year.
What?
Pura lang kung may brownout, ha?
Nice one, pare.
Nice one.
Nice one.
Ibig mo sabihin, pinanood mo yan 10,080 times a year?
10,080 times a year.
Hindi ba sinagsasawang kapapanood mo?
Nire-rewind ko naman eh.
O sige, tama na yan. I have good news.
What?
It's summertime.
Wow, summertime. Summer breeze, okay. Summer breeze makes me feel fine.
Blowing through the jasmine on my mind.
O sige, tama na yan. Seriously speaking, pare, ano ang gagawin natin?
Alam ko na. Let's watch
Sawa na kami dyan.
Okay.
Talaga, ano gagawin natin?
Basta ako, punta akong Davao.
Palabas pa rin ng Gone with the Wind.
Hindi ko eh. Siya na naman, si Melissa na naman, ano?
Oo, siya nga. Diba paano, isipin nyo ha. Sinigot niya ako bago mag-graduation, pagkatapos iwanan niya ako. Buti sa Davao na yun. Ano ko, tautuhan lang? Ano ko, bali?
Sandali lang, kid. Kasalanan ba naman yan kung na-destino airpad niya sa Davao?
Yun nga, hindi niya kasalanan, pero ba't kailangan pa siya sumama? Tsaka isa pa, mali yung ginawa niya eh. Masakit sa akin yun, di ba? O, di ba?
Yay!
Thank you.
Siya nga pala, Tonton. Di ba sabi mo sa amin, bago mag-graduation, be responsible.
Sinabi ko ba yun? Oo nga pala sinabi ko. Eh, ano gagawin natin?
Something concrete.
Something concrete.
Good timing, pare. Kapitbahay namin, may construction ngayon, pare.
That one.
In plain language.
Plain?
Kasi magdanya ng ilonggo, makuha ko
Sinabi
niya.
ng Ilonggo siya eh.
Ay, Ilonggo.
Okay,
Ilonggo.
it's Ilonggo. So, in plain language, responsibility for me is working.
Be responsible.
Work. In other words, summer job.
Summer job.
job.
Summer job.
Pares na choreography.
Arnel, si Poncha, barkada natin.
Pawn shop, hi.
Pawn shop? Ponce.
Ponce.
Ponce, okay, Ponce.
Siya nga pala, we have a problem.
Oo.
Malakas ba kita ng suporta ng babae rito?
Pang-suporta ng babae? Ano yun?
You know,
Money. Sweldo. Money. Oo! Every week ang sweldo dito. Wow! Kaya! Great! Girls, para sa'yo!
Hey, 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 hey! Hey! What are you doing here? You're supposed to be rehearsing right now. Where's your choreographer? Where's Tony? Tony!
Yes?
Well,
We're practicing.
it's showtime, right? You'd better get moving.
Girls! Girls! Get out of there! Come on, we're running out of time, girls! Come on!